Yo, what's up everybody? I'm just at the front of Mozzarella in Seminyak. Actually, basically, technically, this is still Legian, Hotel Nixoma. So much construction here is going on. They're gonna build a totally brand new footpath next to the brand new Promenade. This is the electric scooters where I was driving recently, and that's the beach situation. The wall is still under the construction over here. And let's see how's the life going today in Legian up to Seminyak, because I'm gonna go up to 66. And this is it today. Looks like this one, but I'm gonna show you on the main street perhaps first. Mozzarella is next to the hotel Bali Nixoma, and there is a lot of construction actually going on recently. The construction is due to the renovating the wall here, and also at the same time they're gonna make a brand new footpath, I just realized, which is I think it's cool. Well, everything is changing. I mean, many people, and I myself, asking myself why nobody was doing this when during the pandemic, when everything was so quiet, empty, and nobody was here, so they had plenty of time to do this. Some countries did it, some countries do not. Bali and Indonesia is the place do not do this, so they're doing now, 1 year after they opened Bali actually for international visitors. But, well, better late than never, as some people said. Okay, and this is the border actually, where is the Legian bordering with Padma. And I passed the gate, this is not Padma anymore. The boy is trying to sell you some transportation, and that's the Hotel Nixoma, Mozzarella, the gate, and the Padma and Legian border. And there is the shop with the burgers and all of those stuff. And well, huge construction site recently. The sun is at the front of, so it's pretty hard to vlog. But this is it, and also this is away by Chamakila. Yeah, the hotel also, like this one. But yeah. Overall, this is it. The guy selling the corn here. Yo, what's up? Ages ago, somebody have a very cool idea with this little building here. This is extremely super strategic location, or at least it was 30 years ago. That was the Quicksilver recently. I don't know, it was the surf school or just the of the shop, or it was the surfer shop or something, whatever it was. It was amazing location because just at the front of the beach. However, all of this beach and the part of Legian is not as that extremely busy as it was. And also the construction is not helping with anything, but this is it. Recently, also a lot of surfers were coming here. Even they use the surfer boat as the sign of the bar. Welcome to Krishna Beach Bar. I don't know, is this boy? Nobody is there. And yeah, and the wall construction. If you haven't noticed that, there will be brand new wall. By the way, they're using so tiny materials, but also you see this construction of these bricks, and this, all of this, that's the walls on the houses. So that's why sometimes if you're in cheap villa or in cheap hotels, that's the walls between your room and somebody else's room. Just interesting fact. Either way, they cut the grass and they clean it, so maybe one day they're gonna do something with it. Also, those restaurants here, I remember it was open, but it's closed. Since the pandemic, since like a early stage of pandemic or middle stage of the pandemic, pretty sad times. And then there will be some hotels and more busier part of Legian in the beginning of the Seminyak, and also magic box with the Bakso magic iron. What about magic? Just the Bakso iron. But I have a friend who is calling those places magic box. Yes, mate. Gonna back to the beach. Brand new promenade. It's finished everywhere. Boys waiting for customers, for you, potentially. They are so happy. Groups of the peoples there. Probably Australian, I guess, because this is area popular for them. Yo, what's up? And overall, life is going slowly. Yo, what's up, brother? What's up? Little boys, everybody happy, more interesting. Anyways, some groups of the people enjoying their time, and this is it. Overall, very peaceful vibe in Legian and Seminyak. Yo, what's up? Yo, and the boy who's selling bracelets, they are still here after 3 years of pandemic anyways. The coffee club, it's open, and they have a gelato kiosk now. Now a lot of businesses opening additionally gelato. This is not a secret. In Europe, many restaurants, coffee shops, they were selling ice cream since last 50 years because they often make more money on selling ice cream than on holding the cafe shop itself. And this is, well, Anantara, the sand, Sleeping Buddha. Not as that busy as I guessed as it is, but it is. What is it? right? And now they're trying to cross the street. Here we go. I'm gonna give them the way. Yo, what's up? Please, you're welcome, mate. Hello, Baba. How are you? People here, locals, don't wearing helmets. Actually, I just realized, but that's not the point of today's video, right? And the guy selling shumai. There is some other restaurants and the legendary pavilion. Now they change pavilion surf club, Legian Beach, live simply. Okay, cool. They have it. Not as that busy, but it is actually pretty quiet, I could say. A little bit quiet. Look at this family, happy with the small baby, trying to follow local lifestyle. Actually, nobody give a damn, and in this part of Bali, in Legian in general, everybody do whatever they want. Yeah, but this is it. This is the freedom of coming to Bali, as some people said, right? And yeah, but it's not that busy, I'm gonna tell you. It's really not that busy as I thought at the middle of June 2023. Definitely not as easy as Ubud or Canggu, that's without any doubt. You know, I made the videos there and it was busy, but Legian seems like so. Oh, here we go, those people wearing helmets, very nice indeed. This is the border actually between Legian and Seminyak, view of the beach. You know, there are sometimes particular warungs have a big group of the people, and after that, if this empty, it is empty and not much is going on. However, the guy just sold coconut he's cutting. And to show you where I am now, this is the, well, there is the statue on the top of it. And this is like tsunami shelter, at least they call it, like this one. You cannot get inside. Have a beautiful glass windows by the way. And they're digging something again here. So a lot of construction actually, all the time. So they're really digging a lot, and they even have a pretty nice machinery here. Nice, not bad. And this is actually border between Legian is behind me, and the Seminyak 66 on the other side. But to make a video on 66, I will go again next time and make a separate video about 66. Also, they have two machines for train, like a gym, like in Thailand perhaps. Okay, I'm gonna get to the street and I'm gonna show you what I missed. Yeah, but definitely they're gonna build a brand new Kuta gate, I mean Legian, Seminyak gate here. But obviously all of those gates in Bali, they are very characteristic for the Bali environment. So that's actually cool, nothing wrong with it. I'm just always wonder why they're building this right now in the middle of 2023. They didn't build earlier, they had a time, because now you're coming to Bali only you can see here a big construction site actually, that's it. And the Kokon Beach Club is open again after 3 years and even hold the same name, Kokon. So here we go, if you would like to come and enjoy the time a little bit there in the beach club in Legian. Actually Seminyak, technically, it's open, and another beach club. Always was actually here, already 5 years I guess. So there when I'm facing the camera is the main entrance to the beach, 66 or to Legian, and that's the Kokon Beach Club. Here we go, looks like this one. They refurbished and looks pretty decent, I gotta tell you. It's small, it's size of Kudeta maybe or something like that. That's the Seminyak beach clubs are smaller than in Canggu obviously, and there is the public toilet and the access to the beach. Technically it's a little bit quieter now, especially in Legian Kuta, but the school holiday is starting soon, so maybe those areas gonna be more busier in the upcoming weeks. However, just to compare to obviously Canggu and Ubud is just totally different environment here. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little bit from the street perspective on the way, because the beach really is not that super busy today. So I'm more interested to show you what's going on the street, like this one. Here we go. The cars trying to pass, some students making some, you know, they're asking probably. Many schools in Bali actually asking foreigners to speak English so they can learn. Or at least Winnie was doing like that, and at least in Lovina they doing like that. I'm not sure actually here in Legian if they still do like that, but in Lovina they used to do like that. Even this road normally at that time, like a half hour to the sunset, on normal conditions will be actually pretty busy, but seems like it's just simply quiet. Pavilion was very busy not so long ago, but now it's just like that. So what I gonna tell you, this is what is it, right? Bit situation. Also maybe the construction of the wall is not helping with anything. I'm really not sure about that, but This is it. What is it? Coffee Club. I think this is Australian company actually, because I saw it in Perth. But I'm not sure what's going on here. This lady struggle with parking. Here we go, and a little congestion on the road. But let's see. This is it. Maybe, well, when the people going from so many opposite direction, you know, it's becoming a little bit busy, especially if the cars going wrong way, because this is one-way road street, but people I see going both directions. That's why the traffic situation may improve. Some foreigners, happy smart asses, Legian expats who don't like my videos must to try to block my camera like this old block. But this is Legian, probably one of the business owners here. Or just simply not everybody likes people to making videos because they don't like it. But yeah, going to Legian without having some silly situation, it will be not successful trip to going to Legian. Also, he drove without the helmet, 3 people on the bike with his lovely wife, so maybe that's why that's the mate, that's the bloke. Hope he give a tip to the driver. Anyways, this is it. Legian vibes. And I'm peacefully moving slowly to going back. That's the construction recently of the situation. I started to this video, but moving a little bit like this one show you. This is it actually. Really not that much is going on. This restaurant here is pretty decent looking. Belongs to the hospital, to the hotel Nick Soma, you know, it's pretty nice place. But after that is the mozzarella, where I start today's video actually, and probably I'm gonna end up. However, I'm gonna go to the beach a little bit. This is it. This is a little bit of the view of the beach. Last shot, sunset is gonna be very, very shortly. If a vendor is lucky, gonna have some people. If it's less lucky, we'll have no. Well, that's it. Like those boys here have a pretty lucky. They have a big table with the happy people drinking, enjoying their time. So this is it. And you can actually walk by this promenade up to Discovery Shopping Mall. Actually, nearly up to the airport, literally, to the German beach, which is over there. And you can see. And they're even selling the wooden stuff right now here. Here we go. Yeah, that's the vibes on the Legian beach. After that, this is it. This is what's going on in Legian, up to Seminyak. Well, this is it. Pretty enjoyable, beautiful weather, no more rain. The vibes are every time the same, like it always was. Nothing really has changed. Maybe the difference is more boys have speakers because they want to become like a beach clubs. But well, that's the only difference what I noticed. Some of them, for them working, so some of them is not. But this is it. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow on next video from Bali.